So now this is our question. When I'm going to put this one, the x from here, the remainder would be 0. And when I would be putting value of this one, this x, remainder would be 27. That means fx, when I would be putting find the value here, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x would be equal to -2. So when I put -2, as the question is saying that x plus 2 is factor of this function, I would be putting -2, then 0 is going to come. That means fx -2, when I'm going to put in this function, I'll put in next step. I'll put in next step x plus b, I would be getting 0. And when I'm putting x minus 1 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 1. When I'm putting x is equal to 1 in the function, this function x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b, my remainder would be 27, right? This is my question, correct? And now I'm solving in next page. I think now you are very clear with these because we solved many questions of like that. Okay, so we have the playlist. You can also watch the playlist, right? I'll say in description box I would be giving the link. For all other audience, I'm just saying. So here I'm solving, okay, this one. So can you tell me the function? 6x cube minus 5x square ax plus b. Let me write here 6x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. Okay, now I have to put -2 in first case. I have to put -2 and that would be giving me 0. Now put 6 multiplied by -2 cube minus 5, then again -2 square, then again plus a into -2 and then plus b. This whole thing will give me 0 because this thing was the factor. Now try to solve this one. 2 cube would be -2 cube would be
this would be minus 8.
-8 and 6 means multiplied with 6 would be -48. Okay, I'm writing -48. Again, a square would be just positive. So 4 minus 5 would be -20. Okay, is it clear? Now -2 and a. So it will give me -2a plus b is equal to 0. Now we would be adding this both. So it will give me 68. 68 minus 68 minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. From here, I can write 2a plus b is equal to 68. This is equation number 1. In next one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 1 in my function. As I already told here in this step, that this is saying that when I'm going to put this function, I would be getting remainder of 27. So I'm going to put 1 in this function. Okay, so let us put 1. So 6 into 1 cube minus 5 into 1 square, then a into 1 plus b is equal to
78.
No, 27. The remainder would be 27 according to question. Okay, so here remainder would be 27. And why I am writing 0 here? Because it says that it was factor. It was factor. And when factor, we are writing like that, then remainder would be 0, right? If the expression is the factor of the function, then remainder would be 0. You already know that one. So now solve this one. 1 cube would be 1. It would be just 6. It would be minus 5. It would be just plus a. It would be plus b is equal to 27. And here I would be having 6 minus 5. That would be 1 plus a plus b is equal to 27. And here I would be having a plus b is equal to 26. That will go this side. Now I have two equations. Now I will solve both. Okay, so I have minus 2a plus b. Now solve here. Minus 2a plus b is equal to 68. And I have a plus b is equal to 26. Now see, here my b are equal. So no need to bother. So now I am just solving with b because it will make my work easy. So the symbol is same. I am going to subtract. So this is plus, this will also become minus, this will also become minus, this will also become minus. So minus 2a minus a will make minus 3a. B and B will cancel because, and here we have 68 minus 26. So 6 and 2 will be, here it would be 2, and here we would be having 42. Is it clear?
Yes.
No doubt here?
No
Now
doubt here.
A would be equal to 42 by minus 3. So it would be what? 14. If you will calculate, minus 14 will come. 14 3s are 42. Right. So you need to remember. Actually, you can use the calculator, because now I'm not going to tell you that remember the tables, because now only 2 months is left. So now we can only solve the question as much as we can. Okay. So is it clear? So now A is minus 40. Now find B. So B I am finding with this equation. So A plus B was equal to 26. My A is equal to minus 14 plus B is equal to 26. So B would be equal to 26 plus 14. 26 plus 14 will give me 40.
Okay.
See the question? What it was saying? Show B is equal to. So did I got B is equal to 40? And and did I also found the value of A? What I found value of A? I think minus 14 I found, right? Minus 14 I found, and B is equal. Now I can again rewrite my function like, here my A is equal to minus 14 and B is equal to 40. Now rewrite this one. 6x cube minus 5x square. Then A is minus 14. So I'm writing minus 14x plus B is equal to 40. Can I rewrite my equation like this, my function like this?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now, you already know when it is writing that express in the term of x plus 2 and this much, we just divide by this. We just divide by this thing. So just divide. Actually, I'll tell you, can you tell me the question, because I have to always change the slide to see the question. Let me take one picture of this question so that it would be easy for me while solving. Okay, just a second. So as I told you, what I have to do, yes, I had to divide. What was my original function? What I made after unhiding A and B, this was 6x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 40, right? And I have to divide this by x plus 2. Now you already know how to divide x plus 2. I'm dividing with x plus 2. I'm dividing. Okay, this is separate thing, this is separate thing. Here I would be writing the answer. So 6x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 40. Okay, now plus 40, this is plus 40. Okay, let me move the camera this side. Now, so can I solve directly, because you know how to. So how we divide, right? We divide this term with this number, then again whatever we multiply. So I'm not writing anything here. So can I solve directly?
Yes.
Okay, so here what will come? Here 6x square will come, and here 6x cube will come, and here plus 12x square will come. How? See,
Are you solving direct? Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Then
I know.
6x cube is there. I had to divide with this, with x. So x and x would have like that. So 6x square. Okay. I wrote the same thing. Again, I multiplied. 6 2s are 12. 12x square. Okay. Now minus. This is also minus, because this is. No. Here it is plus. So it will be also minus.
Yes.
We change the symbol. We make the symbol opposite. Right. If that would be minus, I would make plus. Okay. This thing will go. And minus 15 and minus 5, sorry, minus 12 and minus 5 is going to make minus 17x square. Rest of the thing just write. Again, what I would be writing, see, let me show you the step, because it would be a kind of revision. So again, I have to divide by x. So only x and x will go. So here I would be writing minus 17x, right? Only x and one x will go from here. Minus 17 will remain. So I would be writing minus 17x square, same number, then I will multiply. So 17 2s are 34, right? and this is plus,
Yes.
this is minus. So it would be minus 34x. Okay, now change the symbol. This is minus, this will become plus. This is also minus, this will become plus. We will always making the symbol opposite. It will cancel. And now we have plus 34 and minus 14. So what will come? So
84 x.
what will come?
84.
84.
Oh, this is plus. Oh,
Are you
this
serious?
is plus.
Yes,
No,
yes,
no, no,
yes.
no, no.
So now is it clear?
Yes.
And the rest thing I'm going to write here. Okay. Next step, 20x. I have to divide with x. So x and x will cancel. Here I would be having plus 20. Okay.
Yes.
And here I would be writing 20x like this. Again, multiply. 2 times 20 would be plus 40. Right? Change the symbol. This
Yes.
will become minus. This will become minus. This was plus. It will become minus. This is plus. It will become minus. See, we change symbol according to symbol here. Okay, here it was minus, I made plus. Here both are plus, so I'm making minus. I will make symbols opposite. Okay, so this will also cancel, this will also cancel. Your remainder is 0, and your second answer is this one. Your second answer is this one, 6x square. Let me write this term because I need to change the pages all the time. 6x cube, sorry, 6x square minus 17x plus 20. Okay, so here I solved this one. See, try to understand. I solved this part.
Yes.
And what was my answer? My answer is this thing which came. Okay, so answer is 6x square minus 17x plus 20. Now you can find p, q and r. Your p is 6, your q is minus 17, and your r is 20, right? If it is, if, see, are you understanding this?
Yes.
Means see, it is written like that, p x square plus qx plus r. Okay, now you found
Okay.
6x square minus 17x plus 20. Now try to compare. It is px x square, and this is 6x square. So x square common, p is equal to 6. Here it is plus qx, here minus 17 qx. So q is nothing but minus 17 and r is 20. So p is equal to 6. Q, see, same question, same as previous one, right? And r is equal to 20. So I solve this one, and again at the last you just have to find the roots. You have to find the value of x's. Again I would be having the 3 values because this is again a cubic equation, degree is 3, so maximum solution. But see, again I'm telling you, half thing is solved for us, half thing is solved for us. This step I just have to solve after this step. Okay, see, try to understand. Means, are you understanding or not? Same as previous question.
Yes.
Are you understanding? So again, see, what is my function? Fx is equal to 6x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 40. Right. And the same function was written like this. Was written like this. How it was written? X plus 2. And right now we found. Right now what we found? We found 6x square minus 17x plus 20. See this, so this was the thing, right? Means this same thing, this was written in the question itself, right? Same as previous question. Hello, are you there?
Yes.
Hello. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
are you understanding? See, this thing is given. Actually, let me rub from here a bit. Actually, this fx function is written like this, written like this.
Yes.
I found this one, I found this one. From where I found? I found from division.
Yes.
So now the same function, this same function, okay, is written like this. So I just have to solve this part. I just have to solve this part. Okay. So I am saying every question is in continuity. Every question is in continuity, one after another. See, try to understand, Altev. If I'll equate with 0 this one, can I write x plus 2 is equal to 0, or I can say 6x square minus 17x plus 20 is equal to 0. Can I say?
0.
So can I say x is equal to minus 2? I got one answer for x. And I know how to find this one. You already know quadratic equation, right? How to find with means quadratic equation, you already know, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so try to find with quadratic equation. But here one thing, it will have no real root, I think. Wait, let me check. So what is the formula for x? Minus b plus minus
Minus b
root
plus
under b
root
square minus
b
4ac by 2a, and this is
2b.
my expression. Okay, try to find root under b square minus 4ac. Okay,
Yes. So
now what is
b
b square? Minus
minus
17
7
square
square.
minus 4ac minus 4a.
Yes.
What is a? A is 6 and c is 20. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now try to solve. 17 square is, I told you to learn the square table. 17 square is,
Yes. 289.
very good. Did you calculate it or you told?
No, I calculated.
So therefore I taught. Okay, now try to solve this
Minus
one. Yes, minus, it would be 480. It
minus
would be,
24.
yes, means
No,
whole
6.
thing, means 6, 4
Oh,
and then again 20. Then
okay.
that would be
480.
right. And when I would be subtracting this, see, this question is very easy, I think. When I would subtract, I will get something in negative, because this much is positive. See, I am subtracting minus 480
Yes.
and 289. Now try to subtract. So here we would be having 1, here we would be having 9, and here we would be having 3 minus 2, 1, right? Means in root
Yes.
minus 191, minus
Not, not a
190,
real.
not real root. So not real root, then no need to
Finish.
solve. You just write here root under b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means that is in negative, that is imaginary number, no real root exists for this part. So I have only one real solution, one real root for this whole expression, and that would be your final answer, and you would be getting the full marks. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So now I want that you should solve each question 2 times by your own. I know you have understood, but if you will not revise, you will forget, because questions are complicated in additional maths and you had not
Okay.
means. So therefore you have to solve all the 3 questions by your own 2 times. And in the group where you, me and your dad are there, you have to send your answer in that group, because today I didn't wrote anything in the group. See, actually 3 times anyone forgives. So I will not say 3 times. Means I will give the 3 homeworks daily, 3 homeworks. If you will not solve 3 or 4 homeworks consecutive, then I will type in group that, hey Alteb, where is your homework? So your dad would be also seeing that where is your homework? That means you are not submitting the homework. But I will not tell that in the group initially for 5 times, 6 times. If you would be like, no, I will not solve in any time, means I would be telling again and again, then I will write that thing in group. So you can, so now you